Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through what to do if your HP laptop turns on, but the screen stays black. If your HP laptop screen suddenly goes black while you're using it, the first thing to check is the battery. Plug in the charging cable. Sometimes the screen turns off simply because the battery is too low. If the black screen happens after you've signed into Windows, you could try resetting the graphics driver. Just press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard at the same time. Your screen should flash briefly, and if the issue is driver related, it should start working again. If that doesn't fix the problem, try performing a hard reset. First, press and hold the power button until your laptop turns off completely. Then disconnect the charger and remove any connected devices, such as USB drives or external accessories. Next, press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. This helps drain any remaining electrical charge from the system. After that, reconnect the charging cable and press the power button to turn the laptop back on. If your HP laptop still shows a black screen, turn it off again by holding the power button. Then press and hold the Windows key and the B key at the same time. While holding those keys, press and release the power button. This should launch BIOS recovery mode. Give it some time to complete the process, and your laptop should boot up normally afterward. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.